Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name's Ryan. Today we're doing a 100-yard ammo test with Norma Match-22 out of my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. Five-shot groups. The first one's just gonna be to dial in, basically. So we'll just get her dialed in for 100 yards. I'm gonna start with 1.5 mils of elevation, and I'm gonna shoot for the dead center of the 1-inch orange square. Then we'll do 4 5-shot groups. These are gonna be sighters / fouling shots as well. Parallax is set. Let's go. I'm getting quite a good, well, a lot of wind actually from right to left. So 1.5 inches left and about 1 inch high, 1.5 inches high as well. I'll do my 5 shots here and then we'll dial in and we'll shoot the next 4 groups. Whoa, that was low. Low and left. That group there was nothing impressive at all. It did a lot better at 50 yards. Let's see what we can do now. Group number 2. So I'm gonna have to dial up 1/10 and pretty much 1/2 mil to the right. There we go. We're a little high, and we got one stuck in the chamber. Another one stuck in the chamber. Group doesn't look too bad, but the inconsistencies and stuff for the first one were pretty crazy. So now I have to go back left, down to next group will be center target, bottom left corner. Little low and right. High and right. Almost point of impact, point of aim. Same hole. So we're getting the odd flyer here with this ammo at 100 yards. 2 groups remaining. Go left, another 1/10, and we're going to shoot the right bottom corner of that square. That was a not bad group. Couple flyers, but 3 in the same hole. Next group, I'm going to shoot all the way, well, let's go to the top left corner of that next square. Ooh, the wind blew that over. It's going to look like it's part of the other group now. Crazy wind gust again. Stuck in the chamber. Group's not bad, it's just they kind of open up every now and again. Stuff like that, I don't know. It's not as consistent as the Ely 10X or the SK long range match. But $100 Canadian for a brick, and still within an MOA basically of accuracy. That's still pretty good for plinking ammo and just getting trigger time and not wasting $300 a brick for the 10X. I'd say it's pretty acceptable for a 22 for sure. Alright guys, thanks for watching this 100-yard group test with the Norma 22 match. Take care guys, see you next week.